Making the wrapper of shrimp cheung fun usually takes a while. So is it possible to make everything in just 10 minutes? I take on the challenge of making the quickest and tastiest shrimp cheung fun. What will happen? Let's find out. Add the deveined shrimp, salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. Now let's take a look at how shrimp cheung fun is normally made. The cheung fun wrapper is usually made with rice flour, tapioca starch, wheat starch, and water. Then it is steamed and wrapped with steamed shrimp. Instead of making everything from scratch, today we'll be using rice paper. Many people online use single sheet of rice paper to make cheung fun, but the texture doesn't quite resemble traditional cheung fun. However, if you stack 2 sheets of rice paper together, now the texture is surprisingly close to authentic cheung fun. Dip 2 sheets of rice paper in water. Place them overlapping each other. Add 3 pieces of shrimp in the center. Roll up the rice paper. Brush a thin layer of oil all over the cheung fun. Do the same with the rest. So what does the word cheung fun mean? It translates to intestine noodles in Chinese. This may sound odd, but it refers to the appearance, the long, rounded shape of cheung fun. Looks a bit like intestines. In a bowl, add the hot water, pour in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Mix well. In a large steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the shrimp cheung fun inside. Cover the lid and steam for about 3 minutes, until the shrimp turns pink and is completely cooked through. Remove. We made shrimp cheung fun in just 10 minutes. It's so quick and easy. The texture is also super similar to the authentic cheung fun. What do you think about the recipe? Please let me know in the comment below. This is absolutely delicious, so amazing. I just love it. If you also like to make shrimp cheung fun from scratch, check out the video right here and subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!